Moz Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Moz Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about Moz's affiliate program, its features, and how you can start earning commissions by promoting a leading SEO platform. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. Moz is one of the most trusted names in the SEO world, offering a suite of powerful tools to help businesses and marketers improve their online visibility and drive organic traffic. From keyword research to link building, site audits, and rank tracking, Moz offers a comprehensive solution for every SEO need. Their tools, like Moz Pro, provide actionable insights to help users boost rankings and stay ahead of the competition. One standout feature is their Moz Bar, a browser extension that allows users to analyze any web page on the go. Moz's data-driven approach and industry reputation make it one of the top choices for SEO professionals worldwide. Now, let's discuss the Moz Affiliate Program. The program is a great way to earn money by promoting one of the most established brands in the SEO space. As an affiliate, you can earn a generous commission for every sale made through your referral link. While the program doesn't offer recurring commissions like some others, you still earn a solid upfront commission for every new customer you bring in. Plus, Moz has a strong customer base with a high rate of conversion due to their reputable brand and highly effective tools. The affiliate program is managed through Impact, a popular affiliate platform, and they provide a wide range of resources to help you promote Moz effectively. You'll get access to banners, links, and marketing materials to assist in driving traffic to your affiliate link. Moz has a cookie duration of 30 days, meaning if someone clicks your link, you'll be credited for their purchase within that time frame. One of the big advantages of promoting Moz is its strong brand recognition. As one of the top SEO software providers, Moz has built a loyal following of marketers, agencies, and businesses. This makes it an easier sell, particularly if you're targeting people who are already familiar with the brand. In summary, the Moz Affiliate Program is an excellent choice for anyone looking to promote a top-tier SEO tool. With its trusted reputation, high-quality products, and attractive commission structure, Moz offers a lucrative affiliate opportunity. If you're interested, check out the product links in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.